right, first step, we're gonna disconnect this battery before we start working on this car. Anytime I'm welding on a car, I always like to take off the negative just to be safe I don't fry the computer. All right, now, because he already cut the cab mount, I don't really have a template to go off of, so we're gonna do it the old-fashioned way and take a tracing on some cardboard, transfer this to the steel, cut out some plates, see how our fitment goes. All right, first things first, we gotta take this wheel off so I actually got some room to work. Battery, the big boy. All right, guys, I got my little daughter here. Doesn't have to be perfect, just has to get me ballpark. Once I cut it out of metal, I'll do all my fine tuning and fitment, make sure everything's lined up. That way we get a good weld. I think that's gonna work. This little gap, I'm not too worried about it. I'll kind of feather this out. All right, we're gonna go ahead and check for fitment now. So this is kind of at an angle, so I'm gonna have to bring this back just a little bit, just to fill all those gaps in. All right, after a little bit of grinding, got a good tight fit on it. So now we're gonna tack it in place, throw a couple little welds on it, see how it looks, move on to the driver's side. Let's burn this bad boy in. Driver's side. This one, I know I'm gonna have to cut a little more off. This cut, not bad, but the top part sticks out way more than the bottom. And it's gonna kick this plate in a kind of weird direction that I don't really want to fight with. So, just grind that down, good to go. All right, driver's side is done. Time to put the wheel back on. Call the customer, AKA my homie. All right, guys, so that wraps it up for today. Pretty fun one. I didn't have to do the whole project since he cut it already. Kind of made it a little easier on me. I just had to cut out some cardboard, trace it to some metal, and then just grind it until it fits to where I like it. So it worked out pretty well. All right, guys, we're gonna wrap it up. I appreciate you for stopping by the channel, checking it out. Let me know if you want me to do more Tacoma stuff or truck stuff. I'm down for whatever. Let me know down in the comments. Remember to like and subscribe. Thank you. Till next time.